What's up, Sushi Lovers family? Namaste and great Sushi Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to roll sushi with and without bamboo mat, and also you will able to see how to cut every type of sushi. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Let's go. For this, I'm going to use I have here the carrot, cucumber. I cut the cucumber a little bit thickness today, and here I have cream cheese. Inside this ones I have Philadelphia. Here is the mango, and I'm going to use the cooked TV. Also, I'm going to use the belly part of the salmons. You can see how beautiful is it. Then after, I have shrimp. If you don't know how to fillet shrimp, how to fillet salmon, you can check link on my description box, and how to cut the cucumber, how to make perfect sushi rice. I'm gonna put everything there, okay? I've here the bamboo mat. For the sushi rolling techniques, the bamboo mat will play the vital role. So the bamboo mat is the most important thing. How to wrap bamboo mat, if you don't know, I'm gonna put the link on my description box. You can check there, and definitely you should have the sushi rice. First of all, I will start with uramaki. For the uramaki, seaweed always have two sides. I'm always saying that is the shiny part. As you can see here, and here is the rough side. Shiny side will be downside and rough side will be outside. For example, I will put here. I'll put the sushi rice in the middle. Then after, I will separate gently. Equal quantity of all around seaweed. Now I'm going to use the sesame seeds. It will give the extra level of aroma and crunchiness. And definitely I love to use for the color, textures and flavor. I'm going to use the cibolino, fines of onion chips. Now let's flip it, because I'm going to make the inside out sushi roll. Yeah. I'm going to use the cucumber, avocado and shrimp. That means I have to cut first shrimp to put inside the sushi roll. I'm going to put the shrimp here, and definitely I'm the avocado lover, so I'm going to use the avocado just for the one sushi roll. So I'm cutting a little bit. Take the skins and cut very softly and gently. I'm going to use the cooked EV as well. Now time to roll. The sushi rolling techniques is the most important things. As you can see here, I already leave here almost one finger, so the bamboo tip will go here, so it will be easy when you are rolling it. Now let's see, I'm putting all the ingredients in the middle, as you can see here. Yes, now let's roll it. I will grab the bamboo mat. I'll take out like this. I'm gonna secure with the thumb finger, and I'm gonna secure the ingredients with three finger, and that point finger and the thumb finger gonna catch the bamboo mat, as you can see here. Look nice. Let's roll it. Push the ingredients, because I have lots of ingredients here. Now take out the bamboo mat very softly and roll it again. Let's see, yeah, the roll is closed properly. Yes, give a little bit squeeze in that side and also that side to make the proper shape. Yes, it's closed properly. Nice. If you are rolling first time in your home, if you are making sushi at home first time, I suggest to put little things inside the sushi roll, okay? That's the uramaki. I'm gonna teach another roll without bamboo mat, okay? If you don't have the bamboo mat in your home, for example, we don't have the bamboo mat, that's the seaweed. I'm gonna place the sushi rice here softly and gently. I'm gonna make the futomaki, because I already used the whole seaweed. For the futomaki, I'm gonna use the cucumber. That is the apple golden. You can use green apple as well. Apple golden, Philadelphia, it's depend on you. And for the coloring, I love to use the carrot. It will give the extra color, because futomaki means, futo means fat, maki means roll. Fat roll with colorful ingredients. Then I'm gonna put, that is the breaded nawasi, breaded shrimp. If you don't know how to make breaded shrimp, you can check link on my description box. I have everything there. I'm the avocado lover, definitely I'll have the avocado. So let's roll it without bamboo mat, okay? For the without bamboo mat, very simple. Take the nori and same like that one. Look, push inside. Yes, and if you want to, you can mash your rice, so it will be easy to close properly. And roll it. Yes, that's the sushi rolling techniques without bamboo mat. It's done. Nice. Let's make Hosomaki, okay? I'm gonna make the Kappa maki. Kappa maki means cucumber maki. For the Hosomaki, we'll leave one finger here. Okay, now I'm gonna use the cucumber here. You can use just one or two, it's depend on you. Then roll it. Take out the seaweed and softly and gently. Yes, just wait a little bit time so the nori will be soggy and it will catch the outside nori properly. I'm gonna make one more roll, then after I will teach you how to cut sushi roll with properly, okay, with easy way. I will make one Hosomaki with shibrin, okay. Hoso means thin, maki means roll, thin roll, which contains only one ingredient. I'm gonna use the sesame seeds for the extra level of aroma. And for the coloring, I love to use the pinch of spring onion. If you don't know how to fill a shibrin for the sushi roll, for the sushi, you can check link on my description box. And here. Now let's roll it. Take the bamboo mat. Always leave one finger in the bottom of the bamboo sushi mat. It's called sushi mat also. So it will be easy when you are rolling. Nice. Let's roll it. But I'm not going to make a round shape, okay? I'm going to make a little bit different shape. Then I'll press that side. You can look here. That's the Hosomaki. I'm gonna push here. So the shape of the sushi roll will be a triangular. Like this. That's the Hosomaki, but we can make the flower. Let's go to the how to cut sushi roll, okay? I will start with Futomaki. Firstly, you should have one wet towel paper or towel to give the moistures, to clean your knife, to clean the chopping board. I'm gonna put the knife here in the water, so the knife tip will take all the water, as you can see here. I'll put knife here. Yes. So the sushi rice can't be sticky. Now make a little bit dry, not too much dry. We have still water here. Now let's cut it. You can cut like this. It's depend on you. This way, or you can put knife and put the two finger in between. Two finger you can put the knife. You can see here dot. Now we have to clean this. Yes. Again I'll put in the water here. Then you will start to cut. I'm using 3 stalk. For example, I'm gonna show you, okay? 1, 2, 3. Or you can use just 1 stalk. 1. I'm gonna show you, okay? Both. 1 stalk like this. It's finished. Just 1 stalk. And 3 stalk is like 1, 2, 3. You can see here the cleanness of the cutting. Yes, it's good. And try to cut sushi roll equal size, okay? We are not allowed to cut. This is the big, that is small, big, not. Okay, let's cut it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do the plating. That's our Futomaki. And definitely I love to use the bamboo leaves. It will give the color, and not only color, the bamboo leaves cannot have bacteria. It will prevent the bacteria also. So you can see the lots of sushi chefs are putting the fish on the top of the bamboo leaves. That's our Futomaki, as you can see here. In your knife, use the water. Let's cut in the middle. Yes. That's the Kappa maki. I'm gonna join it so it will be easy. If you cut one by one, it will take more time. So I'm gonna join it and it will be easy to cut, and I'll clean these ones. For the Hosomaki, we can cut 8 pieces in the middle, and middle. It will be 8 pieces. In normally in Europe, in fusion sushi, we are cutting in 8 pieces. In Japan, some restaurants cut 3 pieces. Okay, let's cut here. Cutting style is same. Okay, 1 stroke or 1, 2, 3 stroke. It's depend on you. I love to cut with 3 stroke. You can try with 1 stroke also. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Now clean the knife. Let's see, is it all equal or not? Nice. All are equal, as you can see here. Let's use the bamboo leaves. That's our Kappa maki. Kappa maki means Hosomaki with cucumber. Now I'm gonna cut another types of Hosomaki to make the flower. I'm gonna cut in the middle. Yes, I'm gonna cut these ones. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the Futomaki and Hosomaki, if you have the rice outside on the nori, normally Japanese don't like. So yes, now we can make the flower. And 2 I'm gonna put here, 2 I'm gonna put here. Let's put 3. Yes, this is our Hosomaki. This is the Kappa maki, that's the Hosomaki with shibari. Let's go for the hardest part. To cut the Uramaki, it will be really hard. We have to be careful, and also we have lots of ingredients inside in that sushi roll. So before cut, make again little bit tight. And another thing is, same as like the other sushi roll I did, put the water. Okay. Now let's start to cut. For the Uramaki, normally I love to use 8 pieces. Some people cut the 6 pieces, but they will make a little bit thin. So it will be easy to take one bite, okay? I'll cut in the middle, equal quantity, okay? For example, normally the nori will be same as like that size. And 3 or 4 finger. If you are beginners, if you are cutting first time, that techniques will be really work, okay? 3 or 4 finger, 3 or 4 finger. That means it will come in the middle here. Then cutting idea is same. 1 stroke or 3 stroke. 1, 2, 3. I'm habitual with the 3 stroke, so I'm gonna use the 3 stroke. You can use the 1 stroke also. Let's start 1 stroke. I'll try, okay? Yes. 1 stroke. Nice. Clean your knife. Again put the water. Yes, very good. And join it. If you are cutting first time, no need to join. You can cut in half and half and half. So it will be 4 pieces, it will be 4 pieces, but times you can join it. So it will be easy because the size will be equal both. Now we can cut in the middle. It will be 8 pieces, but I'm not habitual with this one, so it's depend on you. I will cut randomly. Okay, let's go. 1. I'm cutting 3 stroke. Okay, I'm using here 3 stroke. 1, 2, 3. 2. You'll get lots of rice here. No need to be worried, okay? But always clean your knife and use the water. 3 and 4. Nice, it's very good. Equal size. Now let's do the plating. Now for the plating idea, you can put same like that one. For example, here and here, if you want, okay? But if you don't like that techniques, you can use another way also. That's that way also, or it's depend on you. You can put that way also, same as like the I did before Futomaki. It's depend on you, okay? That techniques also good idea. Here is our Uramaki inside out sushi roll, and here is our Futomaki, and here is our Hosomaki with flower idea and normal Kappa maki. Carrot flower, I made the sakura. You can use here. You can use the wasabi, and here is ginger pickles. Nice. Yes, this is how we can make different types of sushi rolls with and without bamboo mat. As you can see, this is very beautiful. I hope you're gonna love these sushi making videos. So if you really like this video, please share with your sushi lovers, friends, family and relatives. So it will give me more motivation to make more videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Have a good day.